How to log in Chegg app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to log into Chegg app. So here's what you need. First of all, you want to install the Chegg app onto your device. So type in CHK Study. After you're done installing the app, tap onto the open button. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. And in the very home page, you will be able to find sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account, then you just need to press open the sign up button, then provide in all your informations, and that's how you will be able to register. As per the login, you just want to make sure to type in either your email address, or you just want to make sure to go ahead and type in your credentials, such as email address or a password, or maybe continue with your Google account. And that is how you will be logged into your account, and this way you'll be taken to the very home page. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. And if you're having any sort of issue logging in, you must retry or maybe recheck your information, or maybe tap onto forgot password or reset your information as well. So thanks for watching.